Hey guys, if you're deep into crypto trading, you know automation is the key to maximizing profit. Photon and Bullx are two major contenders in the crypto bot space. But which one is actually better for your trading strategy? Let's break it down. Okay? Photon, let's talk about Photon a little bit, right? Um, Photon is best for high frequency traders, scalers, and those who prioritize execution speed. AI driven strategies, Photon uses real time market data to adapt its trades in milliseconds, and ultra fast order execution, perfect for scalping, arbitrage, and rapid market moves. Low latency, ideal for traders who need speed to profit from micro price movements, and customizable strategies. Advanced users can tweak trading parameters, right? And the negative about the con thing, basically the bad thing about Photon, or the negative thing about Photon, um, a high risk. Speed focused trading can lead to more frequent losses if not managed well. And their premium features can get very expensive. Okay? So now, once we got out we once we got this out of the way, we're gonna go to the Bullx, the smart analyst. So Bullx is best for swing traders, long-term investors, and those who rely on AI-driven market predictions, right? Predicts market trends based on historical data, automatically adjusts position sizes to reduce risks, works across multiple platforms with seamless integration, and keeps your holdings optimized for long-term gains. And if you want the pros and cons, basically, we will talk about the cons now. Prioritizes accuracy over speed. It's not ideal for scalping, and some traders may find its automation too restrictive. So, the final verdict: choose Photon if you are into high speed, high frequency trading and need bot that reacts instantly. Choose Bullx if you prefer AI driven market analysis and risk management for long term gains. Okay, if you're a day trader, go with Photon for fast trades. Long term investor, go to Bullx, right? As Bullx with an X is your best bet. Okay, which bot would you trust with your portfolio? Let us know in the comments. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.